We've gone through an evolution of acquiring business and kind of reshaping our organization. We set out to look at a system that we can rally a key set of folks around to go drive action. We ultimately landing on Redzone.
The Chaska location has seen some significant changes really back to 2016. So really what we had is we had a plant that had capacity, but was never quite able to capture and utilize that full capacity.
We set out to launch productivity across all of our facilities. It's around 22 plants in total. We expect to have all productivity live in those operations by the end of 2021.
And the one thing that Redzone really helped us with, it gave us visibility all the way from the peel all the way to the case. Before, these were individual departments with individual whiteboards on the floor with individual metrics being handwritten in dry erase marker on the board. Now we can see real time across the entire facility, the entire flow.
So the operator now has a voice, right? A voice that justifies the reason why they need the staff's help. And maintenance now has a purpose to go, well, no, we're not just breaking things to break them, or they come down to the operator's level. So it brings the groups together.
Much more operator buy-in now, and they've realized that if I change X, I can improve my results.
Now, bam, we have an issue, we address it right away, and we have a venue for every hour employee to have a voice that's instant.
And we use the catchphrase, we will make these folks understand business at a business. Because if we have a problem, let's go to the floor and ask the people that are doing the work and get the solution to it.
We'll add 30 million pounds to our facility this year that other facilities would have gotten. That's a 33% increase in volume.
We have reduced our temp labor by $10,000 per month.
Our volume has been increasing and increasing, especially from a sales standpoint, but we're also putting more pounds through the plant, and and the result of that is happier employees and a better work environment.
Because it's not about us that manage the facility. It's about those operators and how they get things done. It's a culture change. It allows the operator to have power.